Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Dwight here from Retro Crypto YouTube channel. Got an exciting video for you today. It is April 5th, 2024 at 5:39 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. And yes, this video is going to be about Ripple, XRP. Not exactly Ripple, but XRP, which resides within Ripple ecosystem. But anyway, guys, it was a pretty exciting article I saw, and I want to dive into it with you guys, and I want to give you my opinions and a little bit of technical analysis behind it. So if this interests you, stick around, 'cause here we go. But before we get started, I have to do this. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just an ordinary guy out there on the internet with a passion for cryptocurrency. It's essential that you do your own research before making any and all financial decisions. All right, guys, so let's just dive right in. If you don't know, XRP resides within Ripple. I mean, it was huge during the last bull run back in actually, yeah, the last bull run was huge. It was huge. The community behind it leading up to that bull run was phenomenal, and they ruled the seas. They ruled the world. It used to be so frustrating on Twitter because XRP army, this, that, and they were just they stuck together like I don't know how to describe it. Now, leading up to the last bull run, I remember everybody expected XRP to just literally do a moonshot. Now, when I say a moonshot, the moon's like 289,000 miles away or something like that. Not, don't quote me on that one, but it's far. Anyway, they were going. They literally thought that it was just gonna shoot to $20, uh, and much higher actually, and it just came to a screeching halt. Why? Because the SEC stepped in and did their normal thing. They really screwed over the XRP community, Ripple. And that lawsuit's actually still going to this day, has not been settled. There's a lot of rumors that it's coming to its fruition, but it hasn't happened yet. So this article that was released really caught my eye, and I wanted to share it with you guys. And I wanted to do a little bit of technical analysis, a little bit of predicting where I see things are going to go. Now, if that interests you, hit that like button. I forgot to say that. Hit that like button. Yeah, I need you guys to hit the like button. Also, if you haven't subscribed yet, subscribe. See what else. Help a brother out. But anyway, let's just jump right on into it. All right. So here's the article that really caught my eye earlier. Ripple's multi-chain stablecoin announcement ignites bullish momentum for XRP. All right. Ripple, the company behind a digital asset, XRP, recently announced its plans to launch a multi-chain stablecoin pegged to the United States dollar at a 1-for-1 ratio. All right. Now, you can already see there's a narrative coming along on this bull run, just like the previous ones. Stable coins, it's stable coin this, stable coin that, CBDCs that the nations want to create their own stable coins, like based on a U.S. dollar, based on a yen, yada yada yada. Let's see where that goes. Let's see what else this article says. The new development has ignited a surge of bullish sentiment surrounding XRP, with the coin experiencing a price increase on the heels of the news. All right. The impact of this announcement was immediately felt in the market as XRP price movement reflected the enthusiasms of traders and investors. On the day of the announcement, the coin had a bullish spike, bottoming out at 56 cents in the early hours before spiking up to 61 around midday. While bears attempted to regain control later in the day, the overall trend remained decisively bullish for XRP traders, with the coin closing the day at 60 cents and gaining about 88.97% in 24 hours. At the time of writing, the coin has continued the bullish momentum on both the 1 hour and the 4 hour time frames. All right, now we're going to go into technical analysis after this. Let's jump down here. Some analysts even believe that the institutions will aggressively accumulate XRP. That is huge, guys. Now, I don't know if you know Jack the Ripper, but he has been around for a while. Jack the Ripper, a member of the Ripple community, stated on X that financial giants are really going to buy the coin. He stated that this latest development leave retail investors watching from the sidelines. Jack also noted that the coin is set to make a lot of people millionaires, which has been the theme of the community forever if this lawsuit ever ends, referencing its relatively low supply of 120 million tokens, and that any supply shock could send its price soaring. Okay. Now, this is the big part right here, guy. Institutional interest bills for XRP. The optimism surrounding XRP's potential isn't limited to the stablecoin announcement alone. Another development fueling bullish sentiment is the rumor that the financial institutions, including BlackRock and Fidelity, are gearing up to propose an exchange traded ETF centered on XRP, with plans set for submission on April 12th. All right, April 12th is not far, guys. It's April 5th right now. All right, the combination of the factors, including the multi-chain stablecoin announcement and a potential XRP ETF and a positive solution in the SEC lawsuit, has created perfect storm of bullish factors for the digital asset. Sentiment within the XRP community has shifted, with some previously skeptical individuals now acknowledging the coin's potential to reach new highs. I was wrong about XRP, all-time high soon, crypto analyst Joshua Jake admitted in his post. All right, now I got this article from CoinSpeaker, and it was written by an individual. I cannot say his name, so we're going to move on. All right, now let's do some quick charting with this, guys, and see where I think it's going to go. Now, what you're looking here is a open source free version of Market Cipher that is located on TradingView. Now, this is called Fu Manchu if you'd like to look it up. Now, I have this set to the 4-hour chart. Now, this is XRP, of course. Let's see. The article, that article went out on the 5th. Now, we can see that on the 4th, it bottomed out right here at 56 cents. Then it had a very nice run up to, I actually ran all the way up to, 61.5 cents. And then it's experiencing a little bit of a pullback right now. A bear signal fired off there. That's a little red diamond. And then there is a short signal right here with this little red X. Looks like we bottomed out right at 56, 0.5695. And right now we are sitting at 0.5886. Now the Fu Manchu B chart is a little bit more aggressive. Now you have a long signal right here. That's that little green dot that fired off on the 5th. The momentum is the blue, is moving in a positive direction. It could do better, but it's moving upward instead of down. So obviously that's a good thing. The cash flow is the negative. That's that red splotch back there, but the volume is up. That's that yellow right there. But it's actually showing very bullish sentiment right now. Now, if I look over at the 2-hour chart instead of the 4-hour chart, it looks much more bullish, guys. This looks good. This actually made me do this. I took and put a long in. It's not looking so great right now, but I put a long in on XRP because I really do like the way the chart looks. I think it bottomed out, and I think there's some money to be made. I'm using Fairdesk. If you guys don't know, Fairdesk is, what do they offer? They actually, I'm an affiliate of theirs, and I've been pretty happy with their product. And you can actually copy trade me. I'm not the best trader, guys. I can read the hell out of a chart, but I cannot trade for crap. But I do find it to be fun. So I kind of utilize it as gambling, and I recognize it for what it is. It's also important you recognize it for what it is. That way you don't make any bad financial decisions. But Fairdesk is also an exchange, basically. And I mean, I really do like the product. Let's see, what do they offer? I love free VIP, one for 5% trading fee discount. No KYC. That's it. That's I remember now. KYC. They have no KYC, or you can KYC. It's your choice, and I love that. You get an extra bonus on deposits up to $100,000. I ain't a baller like that. They're licensed, they're MSB SB licensed in the USA. They offer up to 125x leverage while they offer KYC. I mean, it's a cool. It's actually a very cool platform. I suggest you guys check it out, and you can watch me trade. Sometimes I hit it out of the park, and sometimes I'm like, double down. All right. But yeah, definitely want to check out Fairdesk. There's a link down in the description. All right. But yeah, on the 2-hour chart, it's looking much, much more bullish. The volume is very high. The momentum's up, and yeah, that's why I put a long in on it. Now I'm not expecting. I didn't do a very aggressive long. I think I did something safe. I want to say I did I'm looking a 5x right there. I did a 5x on it. I don't believe in that 10x, 20x. I like to keep it, very safe. Every time I get stupid, I lose. All right, so let's take a look over here at this chart, and you can see the Bollinger Bands on a 4-hour chart. You can see that we're just crossed that median line, which means that it's going bullish. Now I have that Ichimoku in the background, which predicts the future market, and it is predicting a bit of a pullback for it. So we have to see what happens with that. Ichi market's pretty reliable though. It's not perfect, but I love some Ichimoku. Once you start playing with it, you fall in love. You'll see. Um, Now, looking at the stochastic RSI right here, this is a short term. You'll see that it was overheated, did a pullback, but we're still, it's looking good. Short term is looking very bullish for it. That's where it's bringing back up here. Now, the stochastic RSI, or should I just say the RSI? It's a much slower, wider, broader time frame, should I say? That's looking neutral, honestly. I really can't say that's bullish. All right. But I think that there's big things to come for XRP. And while we're in here, let's take another look. I want to look at something else if you guys have the time. I hope you do. Where we at? Boom, 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 boom. I want to look at the exponential moving average for XRP. Exponential moving average on a one. Let's start with the 4 hour chart. It's looking bearish, but it's definitely starting to go bullish. It's pushing up into the ribbons. On the 3 hour chart, we're even more bullish. 2 hour chart, we are neutral bullish. Like it's looking good, very good. And the 1 hour chart, I bet we're peaked over. The 1 hour chart, we are officially bullish on XRP. But yeah, remember the 4 hour chart is more trustworthy long term, in my opinion, than a 1 hour chart. That's a lot more volatile. But yeah, that's why I put that long in on it. And we'll see how I do on Faraday. So you can actually watch this trade. If you sign up for Faraday, you can watch my, what do they call it, copy trading. You can actually watch my trades. But I feel confident on this one. I'm going to let this baby ride. If you like this video, again, make sure you hit that like button. And I'm just going to start putting out short videos like this on, because I like to educate myself. There's so many projects out there, guys. We got to stay up to date with them. And you can't just get fixated on one project. One of the things that frustrates me the most is I hear I'm a maxi. But you know what? The founders of these projects admit that they're not maximalists, but you're a maxi. So the founders aren't maxis, but you're one. You see what I'm saying? Diversification is key. You got to think for yourself, guys. You must think for yourself. All right. Now, I guess that's it for this video. So hit that like button, subscribe. Until next time, stay crypto. Stay blessed. All right. Peace out, guys.